Hi, this is me, Amal Harris from Vivian Hair Design Spain. I have here with me Caroline from
Denmark.
Yes, and she chose for a nice lovely color from Kardashian. You see a dark color up and down, little bit highlight blonde color. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put her some highlight blonde colors here, like that's what she likes. So we're gonna show you how we're gonna color this lovely nice long hair. Yes, we part the hair in the middle. Yes, and then we're gonna part it in two. So we take this up, yes, from here and this side, yes. So we're gonna part the hair in two, one and two, yes, and then we take this all to that side. Now we're gonna start to make the highlight. Yes, we start from here. We don't want to put too much highlight in it because she has very fine hair. So we start here. Lovely, nice highlight. Beautiful, nice. And later we're gonna show you how we blow dry the hair. Very nice. Just a little bit. This is the first foil. Yes, second foil. Very nice, lovely highlight. More natural. Put the foil here. You can also use the clips. Caroline, how are you?
Okay.
Yes, so second foil. You see? And we leave them like that because she has very fine hair. We leave the foil as long as possible. Take another one here. So put the clip, square the hair, yes, and color the highlight. Very nice, lovely highlight, easy to wear, and it's the last fashion. Yes, this is the last one from, yes. Only the first one we can go a little bit up with a highlight to make it a little bit lighter. in her face. See? Just nice and easy. Yes, now we go to another side. As you see, we put her now the foils. And now we finish the first line. And now the second line. That's this line. Yes? So we go to color here. First comb the hair. And then we're gonna color here. So the first foil will be a little bit near, so here. Very nice zigzag hair coloring. It's more natural and very attractive color. See? Beautiful, nice colors, especially for the summers. And Caroline come all the way from Denmark to Spain to have beautiful color. Of course, also to be famous. Yeah, so very nice, lovely highlights. So we go to the second. Comb the hair natural. So very nice, beautiful highlight. See, we leave it as long as the hair. You see. Now we go to this side. Yes, you comb the hair natural. See, and put some highlight here. Beautiful, nice colors. Very nice, lovely highlight. Yes, this is the last one in the front. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna color it a little bit near. Yes. Yes, As you see, we put the foil. As you see, we put all over the foil, only to the front, so we can see lovely nice highlight here. So we put here some kind of foil. If you go a little bit to the front, you can see this is Caroline from Denmark. You see, we put her here highlight. So we will leave it little bit 30 minutes, and then we will wash it, and we will come back with you. Yes. So Caroline, do you want to say anything to everybody in the world there?
I think you all should come to Spain and get a haircut at this salon because it's very good.
Thank you very much, Caroline. We will see you later. We'll come back with you. Thank you. Bye bye. Hi, it's me, Amal Hermes from Vivian Hair Design. As you see, we are still here with Caroline from Denmark. As you see, this is the result from the color we put her, the highlight. So this is what we put her some lovely nice highlight here. So lighted the hair. I wish you can see the color. We can show it to you from here also with a light color. Yeah, you see. So I'll turn it a little bit like that. You can see very nice. We didn't color this part, only here. Just very nice, soft, lovely highlight in the hair. Yes? And so Caroline, do you like it?
Yeah, I really like it. I love the color.
She liked the color and she's very happy. And we are also very happy with her hair. It's beautiful, nice, very lovely. So thank you very much for watching us, and we wish you a nice day. Bye bye.